Welcome to the Computing Department's Year 9 Options presentation on the Computer Science qualification. Let's have a look at the course. Computer Science is a full GCSE offered by OCR. It is a 100% exam, and as you can see there, it can be included in the separate science section of the EBAC qualification. But you might be thinking to yourself, what will I learn in computer science? Analytical skills, computational thinking skills, components of a digital system, impacts of a digital society. But you've been doing this since year 7. At the start of this year, we did computational thinking skills, where we looked at a problem, broke it down into its key components, and came up with a solution. In year 7 and 8, we looked at the CPU and how the CPU is part of a digital computer. And we have just covered networking and how all computers interact and communicate with each other. But what does the course actually offer? Computer science is broken down into two main sections: computer systems and algorithms. The computer systems part covers the internal parts of the computer, digital systems, the memory and the storage. It goes into networking, network security. Cyber security is a massive industry at the present moment in time. Looking after computer systems, especially as more and more people are working at home, is a priority for all businesses. And ethical, legal, cultural. Looking at if more people are working at home, what's going to happen to the office blocks? We as computer scientists need to be thinking about that if we make it easier for people working at home, what are the problems with that? And then we go into algorithms. Creating computer programs, looking at problems, breaking them down into their key parts, and then making a computer program that creates a solution, making it efficient. Looking at that efficient program, and can we refine it? Does it need to be debugged? These are all main parts of the GCSE computer science qualification. But you're now starting to think to yourself, I like this course, but where can it take me? The computing industry is massive. It contains so many different categories: cybersecurity, networking, programmer, app design, robotics. All of these things you could be looking at as a career. So you could do, to start with, an A-level in computer science at Sandbach High School. We have had really good results. You could go and do an apprenticeship at the many different businesses around Cheshire. Or you could look at a computer science degree. But you can see from parentalguidance.org that the top 7 jobs, a lot of them jobs for the future, all contain a certain degree of computing. Cybersecurity expert, as I said previously, a massive industry to go into. Robotics, so if you're thinking about engineering, computer science is a brilliant partner to that. Software developer, a designer, graphical designer, and a data analysis. So all of these you could be looking towards if you take computer science. So what should you expect from the computing department? Practical Python programming using purpose-created Word documents. Theory on how a computer works. All of this is contained in presentations and worksheets that are in the shared drive, allowing you access at any point in your 2 years of your GCSE. Flipped learning approach. So we might get you to go and research something and then come back into the classroom to discuss it. And all lessons are on Teams and OneNote for ease of access. So what does that mean? So you can see from the left hand side, all of the resources are on OneNote, so you can look at them on your phone or computer. And on the right hand side are the Python purpose documents. At the top is information to support you and help you, and the tasks as you go along. All of this there to support you in your GCSE computer science. So the question now is, who should study this subject? Are you interested in technology, hard working, problem solver, logical thinker? Would like a career in a fast moving, forever growing industry that is never going away? Computing is here to stay. Are you interested in good results? So if we look at the results from 2020, everybody got above a 4. 15% of pupils got a 9. And if we look in 2019, again, 58% of people got above a 7 and 16% of them got a 9. So if you want to know more, you should contact me, Mr. Bashford, at gbashford@sandbachhigh.co.uk. Thank you for watching, and I look forward to seeing you next year in GCSE Computer Science.